Alright guys, hooked up the new wire stripper here, got it bolted to the table here, got the crank on it, got some wire, I've been doing some already. There's my bucket. Found the aluminum rim this morning, cut the tire off that, my Sawzall, got some aluminum there. So yeah, let's try this wire stripper if I can hold the camera. Only problem is I can't seem to get the wire to go by itself in. So I kind of like on this side here, pull it. I see Jackpot Digger actually just pull the wire like that. But I don't know why it's not doing it by itself with the wheel. You know what I mean? I'm turning, it's not gripping the wire to come out. So, I don't know, I gotta keep playing with it, figure it out the proper way, but if I pull it, it's cutting the wire and turning the handle at the same time. So, this is not gonna work, because this is gonna kill ya. See? Just pulling it out. I seen Jackpot Digger do this. See? Pulling the wire out, but this is gonna be too much. Well, yeah, and after that, what I do is I just kind of like, I don't know what to set you guys. I need something to hold it, but it did cut it, you can see. But then you gotta bend it and dig it out, right? But they say it should just pull itself. This one here, stove plug wire. Where are we? It's kind of soft to go through the machine. But yeah, I don't get it. I'm gonna have to look up on it. So let's try this piece here. Feed it in. Get it underneath the blade there somehow. So see, like it's not grabbing, right? If I push it in more, they say it should grab. So I don't understand. Let's try it again. See if I can hold the camera as I push it in. Yeah, it kind of doesn't want to grab. So you're gonna have to set this up for every piece of wire. It's gonna be ridiculous. Like you gotta put it in, set the blade so it grabs or something, or what? Well, let's try setting the blade. Loosen the blade, put the wire in a bit, I guess. That would be a pain. Tighten the blade up, I guess. I guess just turn the handle. Like, see, it's still not grabbing. So, I don't know. Who knows? I gotta figure it out. Any people have any ideas, suggestions, let me know. If you gotta put the wire in first, then bring your blade down, adjust it for every piece of wire, that would be a pain in the ass, but I did, a few of them were pretty okay. But yeah, I'll keep working on it, maybe look up a video on it, figure it out. But she's all set up. Carmack One, please like and subscribe, guys. Talk to you soon. Once I get the hang of it, I'll do another video, show you guys.